This video walks you through the procedures of setting clocks and components in Smart Configurator. First, create a new RL78 project. Select CCRL C/C++ executable project. Enter a project name. Select target device. Click Finish. Go to Clocks page. You can set the system clock, operation mode, and EVDD on Clocks page. The clock settings are for all drivers. Make the setting according to the main system clock frequency and power supply voltage to be used. In this video, we will set the operation mode and EVDD first. Make the setting depending on the main system clock frequency and power supply voltage to be used. Select the operation mode that matches your system design, followed by the EVDD setting. Next, set the system clocks. Main system clock and subsystem clock. Select the clocks required for device operations on the board. Specify the frequency of each clock in accordance with the board specifications. At each multiplexer, select the clock source for the output clocks. After setting clocks, go to Components page. Drivers can be combined as software components on the Components page. Click Add Component button to add components. Select components from the list. This video shows how to add a UART communication component to the project for transmission and reception. Use the default configuration name. Select the operation and resource according to the hardware connection in your application. This video is using the default resource UART0 for transmission. Add another UART communication component using the same way. This time select Reception and UART1. Click Finish. Added components will be shown on the list tree. Now you can do more configurations for the transmission and reception. Select the clock source for UART0. Set the parity. Set the transfer rate. Set UART1 component the same way as UART0. When you are done with all the settings, click Generate Code button. Driver codes will be generated into SMC Gen folder. Open the C or C++ source file named with the project name and add your application codes into the main function. You can open the Developer Assistance to see the list of driver APIs generated by Smart Configurator. You can also drag the API from the tree into the source file directly. Usage examples are provided for your reference. After adding your application code, build and debug the project. Please visit Renesas' website for more information on Smart Configurator.